Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can apply your makeup product on your face. When you want to do your makeup, these are the ways or these are the steps that you need to follow for you to achieve a very good look, like a professional look. Yeah, so stay tuned. So here I will just be talking about your contour, concealer, blush, and I won't have to go to the brows or the eyeshadow. So maybe in another video I can do a tutorial. And if you've been watching my videos, you're going to see some tutorials about eyeshadow and doing your eyebrows. Yeah, so when you want to start this makeup process, these steps would help you to have a smooth makeup. Yeah, you won't have to be struggling, yeah, at all. You won't have to be struggling with applying your makeup products on your face. So you can start off with your concealer, which would be 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin. So these are the places you need to apply your concealer. It doesn't have to be too much. Yeah, so this product I'm using is quite light. It's lightweight, it's not heavy, so the other places you need to apply your concealer is on your forehead, just at this edge. You don't need to apply the whole place. And your chin. So this would help to cover those dark, those dark circles or dark spots on the face. Yeah, so the next thing is the blush. Yeah, for the cheek, yeah, then down to maybe the edge of your head. Yeah, and there we go. So your blush would be in between your concealer and your contour. And you also need to decide if you want something, too flashy, like if you want it to be too bright or just cool. Yeah, so the choice is yours. But just know that your concealer will be in between, your blush will be in between your concealer and your contour. So let's apply. You have to make sure you dust off. If you are using a powdered blush, you need to dust off the excess so it doesn't not just, be too much or gather on your face, and you need to struggle to blend that in. So yeah, so for me, I think this is fine. Then after this, you can go to the top depending on what you want, but I just want it. So after this, we'll go in with the contour, yeah, which would be by the cheek, like from the edge of your ear, the upper part of the ear, and like kind of measuring it to the edge of your mouth. Yeah, but it's not going to come down here definitely, so it's just going to be like in between. Yeah, so you do the same for the other side. Yeah, so now for the contour, let's go ahead. I want to use this blender. So do the other side. And don't forget, you also need to add that to the inner part of your head, to your edges, like closer to it, not on it. So when you blend it in. Ooh. So when you apply that, you can then come to the jaw area and then you apply. When you blend it in. So now we have our contour here, we have it here, and we have it here. So now there's a space in here, space in here, and in between the concealer and the contour. So what you can do, if you want to do a makeup without foundation, you can just go ahead and blend in your makeup products this way. But when you want to use a foundation, so you need to, these are the places you need to apply your foundation, then you can go ahead and blend. So the other way, the other part you need to apply your contour is just by the side of your nose, and your concealer goes in between. Yeah, so that's it. Then let me apply my foundation. So this is where my foundation goes in. So guys, this is just what you need to do when you want to apply your makeup. Yeah, and then you can start to blend in. So now let's blend in. You see, I'm trying to blend in the contour first. So then you can go to the foundation. You can change your blender if you want to use your brush or something. You can do that. So then I blend in my concealer. And so now forget the contour by your nose. You can use a smaller, thick brush. Then you need to set your makeup. And in one of my videos, I talk about how you can make your blush last longer, you know. So you just need to apply that also if you want your blush to last longer. So then you can brush out. Then you can apply your lipstick as you want it. The eyeshadow, you could have done it before all of this, depending on you. And you can do it after, whichever way that is convenient for you or that's okay for you. And then you are fully baked. Yeah. So then don't forget, you need to brush this off after some few minutes. Maybe by the time you're applying your lipstick, and you need to. And don't forget, you need to finish this look with your finish spray of setting spray. Yeah. And then your makeup is done, guys. Your makeup is done. So let me just put something on my lips so you can look so cute. So just here. Yeah. So here's our makeup. How does it look? So guys, you can do your makeup yourself, and I hope you love this video. Yeah, if so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yes, click the like button, share, comment, and also click the notification button. Yeah, so that whenever the video drops, you won't miss out and you can get notified. Thank you. Namaste. All right, thank you guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.